In today's video, we're going to go over how to create a mulched tree ring around your tree. And while we go through this, I'm also going to explain why this is a great practice to do, all the benefits that come with it, as well as all the steps and materials that you will need throughout this process. Now, real quick, I want to tell you about the history of this tree. This is it at the beginning of when I first moved into our home. I quickly noticed that there had been a rubber mat placed around this tree as a sort of tree ring. I'm pretty sure they're sold at most hardware stores. I quickly tore that out because, as you can see here, it was girdling the growth of that tree, and a mulch tree ring is so much better for a tree. In fact, let's talk about some of the benefits right now. So this is not an exhaustive list by any means, but some of the benefits of a mulch ring around your tree is soil improvement, trunk protection from things like your lawnmower or your string edger, enhanced aesthetics, it looks really nice, also it reduces soil compaction, and it improves your soil in general. Here's a quick before and after with some of the other trees in my yard that I have done previously, and you can see the overall improvement that it has in the aesthetics. So now let's get into exactly how you go about creating this tree ring. Starting with the materials needed, you'll need a measuring tape, some sort of spray paint, and then also string. I started by measuring the existing tree rings around my other trees. In general, you want your tree ring to be quite wide as the edge of your tree's canopy. In this case, I didn't have the room to do that, so I just wanted to match the other trees in the yard. From here, I simply secured my string around the trunk of the tree and then measured it out to the distance that I needed it. This allowed me to have a circular distance all around the tree that I could then spray paint and create a circle around the tree that maintained the same distance. With that circle painted, you now have a rough guide of where you can start digging around your tree. I grabbed my tarp and my shovel and I got to work. Unfortunately, this is the hard part that can take a while, especially if you have a tree like mine where it has a lot of shallow roots that interfere with you digging in a smooth process. My advice would be, as much as you can, try not to damage the roots and just take your time and go around them. If you have to cut out a few, don't worry too much about it, just make sure it's not a major root. I employed the help of my husband in this process because it was getting so time-consuming, and also at the end I got my chickens to come along and eat all of the little bugs that were around this tree because they were kind of grossing me out. You guys finding all the bugs for me? Now with the previous tree rings, I was able to salvage the grass and plant it elsewhere in my yard that had barren spots and needed new grass. In this case, because of all of the tree roots, it came out in tiny bits, and I ended up just setting it into my chicken run so that they could scratch around and make the most of this and find some yummy bugs in the process. Next step is to start adding an edging material around your tree ring if you so desire. As you can see, I was dealing with a lot of tree roots and had to make the most of it, and I kind of just worked around those areas. You don't have to use an edging material if you don't want to. In this case, I just used some stone lying around my house. You can use a metal edging, plastic edging, a natural material like I'm using here, or no edging at all. And before you are like me and setting in your organic mulch, something like wood chips, be sure to set down a pre-emergent herbicide. This is just a step that can really save you a lot of time in the coming months. It prevents future weeds from coming in, it doesn't hurt the tree, and I highly recommend it. As for the mulch, you want a layer about 2 to 4 inches deep, and you also do not want to apply mulch directly against the tree trunk. That is just to prevent any rot or fungal issues from happening on that tree trunk. And from there, you should have a really nice mulched ring around your tree. I hope that you found this video guide helpful. Comment if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.